Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope you're all doing well today. Got something massive. I got a All Flames Car Fest. A whole ton of them, as you can see. Every car on here has flames. One's over here, except for my car of the day, which is a 77 Dodge Van Moon Eyes Edition. That's my car of the day. Okay, back to the flames on the vehicles. Every one of these has flames. Some sort of flames on them. Yeah, I've got a lot of flame vehicles. A whole ton of them. And everybody's got their favorite in here. I've got a whole bunch of them. Plymouth Duster there. Here, let me grab the small flashlight. See, you can see the flames on the side there. Kind of dark. Even the fendered, fat fendered 40 right there's got the flames on them. There, yeah, you can see the flames there. Anyway, got a whole bunch of flame cars here. Even the Mustang Funny car, it's got the flames on it. Got all kinds of flame cars here. Whole slew of them. I'm not going to ask anybody's favorites because there's just too many. I'm just sitting here thinking what I want to do for my next video. So, I've done this before, but I've had so many new additions to my flame vehicles. There's just so many of them now. I got about, I would say 35 to 40, maybe more. So, yeah, I got quite a bit here. Got my gassers in the background, those will stay. Yeah, as you can see, I got a whole slew of them. I kind of mixed them around. It's going to take me a little bit to kind of put them back in the exact order on my shelf. So, yeah, got a whole bunch there. I mean, this is tough to pick a favorite because there's just so many of them that I really like. I'm loving this Chevy Nova with the flames on it a lot. It's really a sweet looking vehicle. 64 Chevy Nova, or a 65, one of the two. Let's see here. Oh, I was up. That's 66 Chevy Nova. But anyway, that's really one of my favorites. I mean, and then there's the matte black finish truck, which is right there. I love that one a lot too. That one's really sweet. A lot of people like this one right here, which is the fire department classic rods. And fat fendered 40s, that one I like a lot. I mean, there's just so many, it's hard to pick just one. There's a 32 Ford, like that one a lot. Where is it? Let's see. Yeah, there it is right there. I love that blue Pontiac Firebird. I like it better than the red one. I love that color blue. Just something about blue with the flames, it really pops. Like that truck right there. That really stands out with the flames. But this matte black finish with the purple flames really stands out as well. And there's a Dodge Coronet, another blue, different style blue. The Mustang. Stand back so you can see the flames a little bit better. I really don't have any lagging behind me, which in the future I would love to have behind me. Those construction lights, but they take up a lot of power. Probably add up on my bill too. So, but that Ford Torino is really sweet. Love that one with the flames. Midnight Auto right there. That one's really sweet as well. That one's really nice too, the 53 Chevy. But anyway, there's another one right there. Light blue. Same color, pretty close to the same color that Dodge Dart. But really, really nice. But like this purple one as well. This one's really nice. Chevy Nova. Yeah, it's pretty nice having all these flame cars. That's popular. It really stands out in a lot of vehicles here. Had a long, stressful early day, and then it got better after lunch. But it's been a great day all in all. We're still waiting for that package. Tomorrow's supposed to be in tomorrow, and oh, wait until you guys see this car coming in. This is a car that just nobody really talks about that much. But anyway, I also have two finds of the day. Actually, that I picked up today. I was trying to look for some bubble wrap today. I couldn't find it at the 99-cent store. They were out. So I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up 3 rolls because they have 2 packages. They're going to be going out, one tomorrow and then one next week, which tomorrow I'm going to send to Mike Dyson. So if you get this, Mike Dyson, I need you to email me. I sent you a message on one of your videos so that I can send your package to you. I'm going to get it sent out tomorrow if I can hopefully get your address. So email me at flashback1727 at gmail.com. Please email me. I need your address so that I may send your package out tomorrow. But let's get back to the 2 cars, my 2 finds of the day. Yes, I got the white Chevy Nova. Finally picked that one up. And the McLaren Senna. So, like I said, I'm not much of exotics, but I really wanted to have this one to add to my collection. So, there she is. Both those cars are really nice. So, those are the 2 I picked up today at the 99-cent store. So, anyway, I can't wait. There's my bubble wrap. There's the boxes. I got a box sent out to Mike Dyson, and I need you to get a hold of me, bud. So, let's get back to the car show. Enough of the commercials. And, anyway. Very sweet Dodge Daytona Charger or whatever. Pretty sure it's the Dodge Daytona 500. Anyway, guys, hope you're all doing well. And cleaning up my cars. Oh! Anyway. That right there, a FedEx truck. I have a package coming in the mail tomorrow. So I'm waiting for the package to drop out of a FedEx truck, which will be tomorrow in tomorrow's video, which I will show to you guys. It's just one vehicle, but oh, I can't wait to get my hands on it. Yes, it's way old school, but I'm not going to say anything, so you guys see that video tomorrow, so you might want to check out that video tomorrow. But anyway, there's the Rat Black finish. 67 Pontiac Firebird. 72 Ford Ranchero. And once again, there's my car of the day, which is a 77 Dodge Van. I love this Moon Eyes. Really a sweet looking van. Okay, guys. That's it for me for tonight. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. And please subscribe. I'm knocking on door number 80. Waiting for those new subscribers so that I may hit 80. I am 22 away from 100. And guys, also ring that bell for notifications so that way you may be able to see my videos when they come up on the YouTube channel, Nitro Speed. So this is Mike from Nitro Speed. And you guys have a good night. Be good to each other. We will talk to you real soon. Okay, guys, I'm out of here. See ya.